Good afternoon, LC people. This is your part 4 of the Kent LC250 rebuild. So what's Dave been doing? Well, the indicators went on, the headlight bucket, all the wiring got sorted out, the clocks went on it. Still waiting for the disc, by the way, that's going to hold the job up. I've gone through the carbs, double checked them out. I've set it all up. I'm just in the process of bleeding the oil pump up. I've got all the electrics working on it. It's all doing what it should. All that kind of stuff, you know. But yeah. So I'm just running it up to temperature. She sounds nice. She should do. Ford Mason rebuilt that engine. It just sounds amazing. Don't like upsetting the neighbours, running them too much for too long. But yeah, antifreeze to go in it, bodywork to go on it. Got fuel tap repair kit to sort out. Basically, when the disc arrives, put that on and bleed it all up, and she's done. And that will be that. But yeah, it's been a nice one to do, I think. I'll put the radiator cover on it in a minute once I've stuck some antifreeze in it. Like I say, you need to do an heat cycle on it. I'll let it cool down and I'll test it out, and hopefully there shouldn't be any leaks. I've cleaned it out, flushed it out and what have you. It seemed fine. But I don't know when it last ran. I think it's been very many years. But no, the guy Chris that owns it down Kent, he'll be, I think he'll be quite happy. He's had quite a few videos today of the bike, and that's all I'll tell you for now. But I think your last part will be sort of, Dave's put the front brake on and he's got the bodywork on it. But yeah, I'm going to leave it soon, I think, because I've about had enough for today. I'll do the antifreeze bit, put the cover on the radiator, and I think it can go back inside. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching the rebuild on it. It's been going quite well. Obviously, I've had a couple of days off because it's been bank holiday, hasn't it? But yeah, it came last Wednesday and it's Tuesday today. So if the disc comes tomorrow, yeah, it'll be sort of finished. But if not, it'll be whenever it shows up. And that's it. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.